Hello guys, welcome to SatoWallet channel. I'm going to be showing you how to make use of Lisk on SatoWallet app. Well, first we're going to have to visit the website SatoWallet.com and download the app. Well, there are three versions of the app. There is one on Play Store, one on App Store, and there is one for PC. That's the beta version. And we're going to use one of them to make an example because they all have the same interface. I've already installed the PC version on my PC and I've already signed in. So here's the PC version. All you need to sign in is an email account and set up a password, then you're good to go. And this Google Auth right here is another layer of security to make sure your funds are secure. Make sure your funds are safe. And here's the in my wallet, here's the amount I have in USD. And here are the list of coins available on the app. Let's look for Lisk. Lisk is right here. Lisk is one Lisk is equivalent to $3.3, and we can use the search bar right here to look for Lisk. Okay, this is Lisk, and this is the amount I have, my Lisk amount. Well, and this is the equivalent Lisk amount in USD. Well, if you want to send, you just click here, send to a friend, then you're gonna have to type in their address. This is just an example. Type in the amount, say 23. This is the amount in USD, and this is the fee deducted. This is in Lisk and this is in USD. If you want to reduce, you can click here, and if you want to add, you can click here, and you can type in a comment. For example, say hey, and click on transfer, and then your transfer will begin. And if you want to receive, the person you're receiving from will have to scan your barcode from here, from the app, and this is your address. Okay, this is pretty much about sending and receiving. So let's move to swapping. Swap coins. Okay, swap coins is to exchange from currency to currency and amount to swap. Since we're using Lisk, we're gonna look for Lisk. And this choose coin. Okay, Lisk is here. Okay, and we're gonna look for another coin just to make an example. Let's use this ABJ coin commerce. Okay, and then amount to swap, let's say 2 Lisk. Okay, this amount exceeds your balance. Okay, then if I go take it down a little bit, then the text will disappear and this will show up. It will be available because now I can swap, but if it exceeds my balance, I won't be able to swap. Okay, 2 Lisk is equivalent to $6.7, and 2 Lisk is also equivalent to 102.2 ABJ coin commerce. This is swapping, and let's go to exchange. Okay, this is the market, and this is where you can make an exchange trade between coin to coin. Okay, let's look for this. LSK, that's Lisk. BTC to Lisk. Okay, this is the list of trading between BTC and Lisk. This is the bid and this is the ask. This is the trading. Today's trading on SatoWallet. Wow, this is huge. And this trading list changes every 24 hours. It refreshes every 24 hours. Okay, this is the buying section and this is the selling section. If you want to buy, you're gonna put your amount, Lisk amount. Let's say 2. Okay, say 4 in BTC. This is just an example. You do the same thing here. Let's write any number, the number you want to sell. This is the amount in dollar and $2 here. Okay, then you click sell or buy if you want to make an order. And these are my orders. If you make an order, then your order will show up here, and if you don't want to go on with your order, you can cancel. There will be a cancel button right here, and then click. If you want to make another order, then go back to trade and order again. And this is the history, the trading history between Lisk and between BTC and Lisk. These are the types: sells and buys. This is the price, and this is the amount. Okay, let's go to currency. Alright, I'm using USD now, so I'm going to show you how to change fiat currency from one fiat currency to another fiat currency. Okay, it's a long list of currency. You can choose any one you want. Okay, let's choose one. Alright, let's choose this BMD. Okay, it's going to take some seconds to actually change. Okay, you see currency has been changed, and then go back to my coins, and then you see before here it was showing USD and now it's showing BMD. Well, thank you guys for watching this tutorial. I hope you enjoyed it.